Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most exciting electric SUVs in the market, the 2026 BYD Atto 3. Now, if you're thinking about switching to electric, this car might just surprise you, because it combines futuristic tech, bold design, and impressive value, all in one package. Let's start with design. The 2026 BYD Atto 3 has a modern and sporty look. Up front, you get sleek LED headlights and a clean, aerodynamic grille that gives it a futuristic vibe. On the sides, smooth body lines and stylish alloy wheels make it look premium, while the rear features a full-width LED light bar that really stands out on the road. It's not aggressive, but it's definitely eye-catching. Step inside, and this is where things really get interesting. The interior of the Atto 3 is unlike anything else in this segment. It's inspired by fitness and gym elements. Yes, you heard that right. You'll notice unique door handles, textured panels, and even guitar string-style storage in the doors. At the center, there's a large rotating touchscreen, one of the coolest features, which can switch between portrait and landscape mode. It also comes packed with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and voice controls. The cabin feels spacious, modern, and full of personality, although some materials might feel a bit less premium compared to rivals. Now, let's talk performance. The 2026 BYD Atto 3 is powered by an electric motor producing around 201 horsepower, driving the front wheels. It can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 7 seconds, which is quick enough for daily driving. It's not built to be a sports car. Instead, it focuses on comfort. The suspension is soft, making city driving smooth and relaxed, although it may feel a bit less stable at high speeds or sharp corners. Now, the most important part, battery and range. The Atto 3 comes with BYD's famous Blade battery technology, known for safety and durability. It offers a range of around 400 to 420 kilometers on a full charge, depending on driving conditions. Charging is decent, though not class-leading. Fast charging can take the battery from 10 to 80% in roughly 40 to 45 minutes. Safety is another strong point. The BYD Atto 3 has earned a 5-star safety rating and comes loaded with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. So, overall, what's the verdict? The 2026 BYD Atto 3 is a solid electric SUV that offers great value, unique design, and plenty of tech. It may not be the most exciting to drive, and charging speeds could be better, but for everyday use, it's comfortable, practical, and efficient. If you want something different from the usual brands, this might be the EV for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews. See you in the next video.